Are you looking for an easy and delicious weeknight recipe that isn't just the same boring old thing?
It's perfect. So today we're going to be making a recipe that's a favorite of mine. It's my own invention based on Peruvian food. So as some of you might know, I'm married to a Peruvian and I've learned a lot about Peruvian cooking from my mother-in-law. So this is just an easy chicken dish with a killer sauce. You're gonna love it. It's very easy to put together. Flavors are strong, the way I like them. And so the star of this dish is an amazing ingredient called Aji Panca. This is a paste using Peruvian peppers and other seasonings, and this is commonly used in a lot of dishes in Peruvian cooking. So definitely you're going to want this for this recipe. I'll put a link in the description. You can find it either in local Peruvian stores if you have one in your area or on Amazon. This is such an easy dish to put together and it's such a crowd pleaser. You can make a huge amount and honestly, you probably won't have any leftovers. So let's get cooking.
Start by chopping an onion, chopped finely. Then add your oil to the pan with a medium heat and add your onions.
I always like to use avocado oil.
Salt and pepper the onions and then add some cumin powder and give it a good stir and saute until golden. Peel and chop several garlic cloves. How many? Depends on your taste.
We like a lot of garlic in this house.
Add your garlic to the pan, mix it in, and let it cook for a few minutes. Then, transfer the onion mixture to a bowl. Generously salt and pepper chicken breast that's been cut into bite-sized pieces. If you're vegan, you can also use firm tofu here instead. Add the chicken to the pan on a higher heat with a bit more oil, cover, and cook it until it's cooked through. Now, we'll add our Aji Panca paste. How much you use depends on your taste. I like to use 2 tablespoons, but definitely use less if you don't like any spice.
So we're going to be using coconut milk for the base of this recipe. I do recommend using full-fat coconut milk for this. So that's going to keep it dairy-free and paleo. And I think that hint of coconut actually adds a lot to the sauce.
Add the coconut milk in and stir well to blend the flavors. Now we'll add 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. I like to use the whole grain mustard for this. Next, we'll add our onion mixture back into the pan. And then, the finishing touch, a tablespoon of pure maple syrup, just to make the flavors pop. Stir it all well and let the sauce simmer for a few minutes on a lower heat.
It's perfect. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this easy recipe. For more healthy eating hacks, we have a whole series. You can check out our playlist, Healthy Eating Hacks, for even more easy and healthy and delicious recipes. If you like this video, please do consider giving it a like. It always really helps support the channel. And if you're not subscribed already, please do subscribe. We have so many more fun and healthy videos coming your way.